Hello and welcome back to my channel, Daniel's Travels. Today I find myself in a truly special place, a city world renowned for its rich cultural traditions and especially its food, Oaxaca in southern Mexico. After a long journey from London, I kind of expected a quiet Monday morning, but apparently Oaxaca has other plans. Stepping out of the famous 20th of November market, I happen upon my first Calenda, a traditional Oaxacan street procession, part parade, part party, filled with music, dancers, fireworks, and giant puppet-like mascots called Monos de Calenda, towering over the crowd. It's apparently a way of announcing a wedding, a festival, or simply celebrating life. We're given beer, hats, and mezcal, the local spirit distilled from the agave plant, which I promise I'll try plenty more of in another video. I even tried the chapulines, roasted or fried grasshoppers, which I politely tried to pretend I don't find absolutely revolting. The mezcal-based drinks I'm then offered thankfully wash them down. The banda musicians then blast into life and the street celebration hits fever pitch. But, just as the party's in full swing, suddenly things take a dramatic turn. And look at the woman who pulled the girl from the truck. Hero. Tradition or not, I'm not sure fireworks really have a place at this kind of daytime event. What do you think? Let me know in the comments. Nevertheless, the banda music doesn't stop for a moment and the street party carries on. In fact, just around the corner, another Calenda is already taking place. So, despite the ringing in my ears from the explosion and relief that thankfully no one seems to be hurt, we continue to wend our merry way, serenaded by more banda and accompanied by mezcal, dancing, and more Oaxacan hospitality. I think this is only day one. Wow. Join me next time for more Mexican adventures in Oaxaca.
Salud.